Hello and welcome to the new video. Today we are going to unbox a wireless microphone from DJI. The company which is making drones for so long has jumped into the market of mics. For any content creator, a wireless microphone can work as a boon. Today we'll see what comes in this box and compare it with the audio of a Boya mic. So that's the mic box. Here goes nothing. That's the first thing which comes out of the box, which has a pretty nice carry case. It has a good texture and a feel to it. Okay, let's get this box aside and let's first check what's come inside of it. A TRS cable, dead cat. Okay, a USB-C cable to charge the whole microphone, again a dead cat. I guess then we have a couple of warranty papers and a user manual. I hope we don't need them. And pretty much that's it. This case is nice. I guess it will hold the whole box very sturdily. Okay. So that's the box. It has this texture on the whole body, a USB-C type to charge the whole system, DJI branding on the top, and let's go. Wow. So these are the two transmitters and that's the receiver. This looks pretty amazing. So let's see what all comes here. That's our first transmitter. Okay, this has a power button, a USB-C type to charge it, but you don't need it because when you place it over here, it starts charging automatically. That's the beauty of this whole case. And then I guess let's keep the first. That's the second, the transmitter. There's a clip. This can go into the cold shoe mounts, and I guess nice. So that's clips, and this is to connect receiver to the Android phones on the inside, and now it is done. Pretty nice, right? So that comes out, and that's the lightning connector for the Apple phones. Pretty neat that they have done everything in the same box. You don't lose them. There's only just one compact box and you can carry the whole microphone system in the pouch. You don't need the box now. That's your mic. And to reduce noise, आपको wind muff को इसके ऊपर ऐसे place करके just have to twist it. And that's your mic having a noise reduction. So now time to set up. When you first kickstart it, it will ask for the language settings. That's the first boot. Right now it is not showing any devices because the devices are in the cases. So let's test how it detects. So I'm taking out the device from case. Perfect. You can see the readings. Now the audio levels, you can see this is detecting from this mic. Pretty sweet. अगर आपको सिर्फ एक यूज़ करना है, आप जैसे ही इसको बाहर निकालेंगे, this will connect. But if the box is closed, it won't detect the second mic. लेकिन जैसे ही आप इसको open करते हैं, automatically pairs with the second device. You can see the audio levels. So time to test the audio. अभी आप जो आवाज़ सुन रहे हो वो है Boya M1 से. It's a wired microphone. So I'm going to connect this to my iPhone from which I'm recording. There's a click sound. जब वो click sound आ जाती है तब पता चल जाता है कि कनेक्ट हो चुका है. अब इसे मैं अपने आईफोन में कनेक्ट करता हूँ. Next audio you will hear will be from the DJI mic. So this is the audio which is coming from DJI mic. अभी मैं जज नहीं कर सकता कि Boya M1 की साउंड कैसी थी और इसकी कैसी थी, but you can write down in comments. इसको लगाने का सिस्टम बहुत easy है because जो मैंने आपको मैग्नेट दिखाया था, when you just want to click it, there is a strong magnet. आप इस मैग्नेट को can hear the sound, and इसको clip करने के लिए you just have to take it. Sweet. And it doesn't go anywhere. So abhi I can move away from my hole, and as there is no wired connection, so I can easily move. This is very helpful in the outdoor locations because वहाँ पे आपको wired microphones move करना बहुत tricky हो सकता है. There is one more thing which you can do. You can just conceal this whole microphone. I will just show you how. So instead of putting this outside, you can just plug it inside, and that's it. Only this magnet is visible. You can just hide it also if you're wearing a shirt. You can hide it under a collar or something of that sort. So I guess that's it. This microphone, I'll be using it more on my outdoor shoots, and we'll test how it performs, the range, all those tests we will do in separate video. Today's was just about unboxing. Do leave in comments any questions you have about this mic. I will test personally for you and put down answers on it. Thanks a lot for watching.